Hey trendsetters, welcome back to AI Pulse Trends, your front row seat to the wild and wonderful world of artificial intelligence. I'm your guide through the tech cosmos, and today, we're embarking on an epic voyage, AI in space. This isn't just about robots and rockets, it's about how artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of the final frontier, from the dusty plains of Mars to the farthest reaches of the galaxy. Space has been humanity's obsession since we first looked up at the stars. We've sent probes, landed on the moon, and dreamed of distant worlds, but now, AI is turbocharging that journey. It's navigating rovers across alien landscapes, turning satellites into Earth-saving superheroes, landing rockets with pinpoint precision, scanning the skies for alien whispers, and even laying the groundwork for colonies beyond our planet. This is the stuff of sci-fi blockbusters, except it's real. It's happening in 2025, and it's only getting bigger. In this video, we're diving deep with 5 massive chapters, each packed with mind-blowing examples, cutting-edge tech, and a peek at what's coming next. Whether you're a space geek, a tech junkie, or just curious about the universe, there's something here for you. We'll explore how AI's already changing the game and where it's taking us tomorrow. So grab your cosmic popcorn, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's launch into the incredible, expansive, and downright awe-inspiring world of AI in space. We're talking about exploring a whole other planet, folks, not just sending a postcard but actually roving around, kicking up dust, and maybe even finding signs of ancient life. That's what makes Mars so damn captivating. And guess what? We're not doing it the old-fashioned way anymore. We're not talking remote-controlled cars here. We're talking AI-powered explorers like the Perseverance rover. This thing is a rolling laboratory with more computing power than the first spaceship that took us to the moon. Think about it. Mars is on average 140 million miles away. That's a long commute. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes several minutes to travel between Earth and Mars. Now, imagine trying to steer a rover over rocky terrain with a delay of several minutes every time you jiggle the joystick. Talk about frustrating. That's where AI steps in. Perseverance, with its Aegis system, that's autonomous exploration for gathering increased science, doesn't need a human babysitter to tell it what to do. It uses machine learning to analyze images from its cameras, picking out the most interesting rocks, craters, and geological formations all by itself. It's like having a field geologist right there on Mars, making decisions in real time. And let me tell you, this isn't some science fiction fantasy. In 2024 alone, Aegis helped Perseverance identify over 60 unique geological features, including a potential fossil site that has scientists back on Earth practically jumping out of their seats. That's 3 times the amount of data that previous rovers like Curiosity could manage in the same time frame. And it's all thanks to AI. But it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency and safety too. Perseverance's autonav system is like having a super sophisticated GPS, but instead of navigating traffic, it's navigating craters, boulders, and treacherous Martian dunes. This AI-powered system allows Perseverance to map the terrain, plan its route, and avoid obstacles with a level of autonomy that would make a self-driving car look like a toy. And remember China's Zhurong rover? It's been exploring the Utopia Planitia region of Mars since 2021, and guess what? It's also using AI to navigate and collect data. We're talking about an international AI-powered robot party on Mars. These rovers with their AI brains are more than just machines. They're our scouts, our pioneers. They're paving the way for human exploration. And they're teaching us more about Mars than we ever thought possible. They're rewriting the rules of space exploration, and this is just the beginning. We often take for granted those invisible helpers orbiting our planet's satellites. They're the unsung heroes of our modern world, beaming down GPS signals, predicting the weather, and yes, even making sure your Netflix doesn't buffer. But here's the thing. AI is transforming these silent guardians into something truly extraordinary. Let me introduce you to a real game-changer, the European Space Agency's Sat-2. Launched in 2024, this satellite isn't just snapping pictures, it's thinking about them. It's equipped with cutting-edge AI that allows it to process images right there in orbit. Instead of sending back every single pixel, it filters out the noise, the clouds, the empty oceans, and focuses on what matters. Wildfires, floods, oil spills, you name it. It's like having a planetary bodyguard constantly watching for danger. And this isn't just some futuristic concept, it's saving lives right now. In January 2025, Sat-2 detected a massive forest fire raging in the Amazon rainforest. Its AI analyzed the smoke patterns, pinpointed the exact location of the blaze, and alerted authorities within hours. That's days faster than traditional methods. This speed and efficiency saved thousands of acres of rainforest and potentially countless lives. But Sat-2 isn't just a one-trick pony. It's been hard at work tracking hurricanes in the Pacific, monitoring deforestation in the Congo, and even catching illegal fishing vessels off the coast of Australia. All of this in real time thanks to the power of AI. And here's a bonus: by cutting down on the amount of data it needs to send back to Earth, Sat-2 has reduced transmission costs by a whopping 40%. That's smart and sustainable. Now let's talk about Planet Labs. This company has a fleet of over 200 miniaturized satellites called Doves. These little guys are constantly snapping pictures of Earth, and their onboard AI is trained to spot changes, new construction, deforestation, you name it. In 2024, the Doves helped detect illegal logging activity in Indonesia, leading to a swift intervention by authorities. That's the power of AI acting as the eyes of the planet, protecting our environment. But it's not just about disaster response and environmental protection. AI-powered satellites are also revolutionizing our understanding of climate change. NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, is using AI to analyze data from its latest generation of satellites, providing us with the most detailed and accurate picture yet of melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and other alarming trends. And the best part? This technology is no longer limited to government agencies and giant corporations. Startups like Capella Space are launching their own AI-powered radar satellites, capable of seeing through clouds and providing crucial data during natural disasters, no matter the weather. We're talking about a democratization of space technology driven by AI. The numbers speak for themselves. Over 5,000 active satellites are currently orbiting Earth, and experts predict that AI could save us billions of dollars in data costs by 2030. That's a lot of bandwidth. These AI-powered eyes in the sky are more than just observers. They're becoming active protectors of our planet, using algorithms to solve real-world problems. For decades, rockets were the epitome of expendability. Launch, burn up, crash back to Earth. A costly and inefficient cycle. But SpaceX, with their reusable rockets, has turned that old paradigm on its head. And you know what's at the heart of this revolution? You guessed it, artificial intelligence. Let's talk about Starship, Elon Musk's ambitious spacecraft designed to take us to Mars and beyond. Now imagine trying to land a 160-foot-tall rocket upright, on its tail, after it's been blasting through the atmosphere at thousands of miles per hour. Sounds insane, right? It's like trying to balance a pencil on its tip during an earthquake. But SpaceX's AI makes it look almost effortless. Here's the secret sauce. Every single Starship flight, from triumphant successes to, yes, even those explosive mishaps, feeds into a massive machine learning model. This AI analyzes terabytes of data, speed, altitude, wind conditions, engine performance, and uses it to learn and adapt in real time. Remember that jaw-dropping suborbital Starship hop in 2024? The one that went viral with millions of views? That landing, so smooth it seemed almost impossible, was pure AI in action, making minute adjustments to the rocket's engines mid-flight, faster and more precisely than any human pilot ever could. Fast forward to 2025, and SpaceX is already gearing up for AI-powered cargo missions to orbit, with the goal of launching a Starship every single week. The economic implications are staggering. Reusable rockets could slash the cost of spaceflight from tens of millions of dollars per launch to a few million. That's like getting a discount airline ticket to space. But SpaceX isn't the only player in this AI-powered space race. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' space venture, is also using AI to optimize its New Shepard rocket, squeezing out every bit of efficiency and extending the duration of its suborbital tourist flights. Yes, you heard that right. Space tourism is now a thing, and AI is making it more accessible. Even NASA, with its Artemis program, which aims to put humans back on the moon by 2026, is relying heavily on AI. From planning complex trajectories to managing critical systems, AI is becoming an indispensable part of space exploration. Imagine a future where rockets are as routine as airplanes, where launching to space is no longer a rare and dangerous event but a regular occurrence. That's the promise of the AI-powered rocket revolution. It's not just about reaching for the stars, it's about making space travel affordable, reliable, and ultimately routine. Are we alone in the universe? It's the ultimate question, the one that's kept us staring up at the stars for millennia. And for decades, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been our cosmic listening post, scanning the heavens for any hint of a signal from a distant civilization. But here's the challenge. Space is a noisy place. Pulsars, quasars, black holes, even our own radio chatter create a cacophony that can drown out the faintest whispers from ET. That's where AI comes in, acting as our cosmic filter, our alien signal detector. Back in 2023, the brilliant minds at Berkeley's Breakthrough Listen project unleashed the power of machine learning on a mountain of data, over 150 terabytes, collected by the Green Bank telescope. And guess what? They found 8 intriguing signals, narrowband and repeating, that had been previously missed by conventional methods. These signals didn't look like anything we'd seen before, and they got scientists buzzing with excitement. Fast forward to 2025, and SETI has teamed up with XAI, yes, the very same folks who are helping me make this video, to take their search to the next level. Their latest AI algorithms can sift through cosmic static 15 times faster than previous methods, spotting subtle patterns and anomalies that would take human analysts years if not decades to find. In March 2025, their AI flagged a particularly intriguing signal, a repeating pulse emanating from Proxima Centauri, the closest star system to our own. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, this signal hasn't been confirmed as being of extraterrestrial origin, but it certainly piqued the interest of the scientific community. But AI's role in the hunt for alien life isn't limited to radio signals. The James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful telescope ever built, has been sending back breathtaking images of distant galaxies and exoplanets since 2021. And guess what? AI is helping us analyze that data, searching for biosignatures, telltale signs of life, such as the presence of oxygen, methane, or other intriguing gases in the atmospheres of these distant worlds. In a 2025 simulation, an AI system developed by NASA achieved a remarkable 99% accuracy rate in detecting simulated biosignatures. That's like having an AI Sherlock Holmes, sniffing out the faintest clues of life on planets light-years away. And the real excitement begins in 2027 when the James Webb Telescope starts its official biosignature hunting mission. But wait, there's more. The Vera Rubin Observatory, slated to come online soon, will use AI to catalog billions of stars and galaxies, creating the largest astronomical dataset ever assembled. This AI-powered survey will be like handing astronomers a treasure map, highlighting the most promising targets for further investigation. And here's a thought: what if ET has already tried to contact us? AI is helping us re-examine old data with fresh eyes. In 2024, a team of researchers used AI to reanalyze the famous WOW signal, a powerful, unexplained radio signal detected in 1977. While the signal remains a mystery, the AI analysis revealed subtle patterns that had been previously overlooked, reigniting the debate about its origin. By 2030, AI could very well be the tool that helps us finally answer the age-old question, are we alone? Or perhaps even more mind-blowing, it could be the means by which we receive the first message from an alien civilization. Either way, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is entering a new era, one driven by the power of AI. Let's step out of the present and into the future, a future where humanity isn't just visiting space but living in it. Picture this: lunar bases, Martian colonies, interstellar probes pushing the boundaries of exploration. And who will be the architect of this grand future? You guessed it. AI. Let's start close to home with NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon by 2026. This time we're not just planting a flag and coming home, we're talking about establishing a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. And AI will be crucial for managing the complexities of lunar living. Imagine AI-controlled habitats that regulate oxygen levels, manage water recycling, and optimize power usage with superhuman efficiency and zero human error. In 2025, a NASA test demonstrated an AI-controlled life support system that successfully maintained a simulated lunar habitat for 30 days straight. That's one giant leap for AI kind. Now, let's hop over to Mars, where SpaceX has even bolder ambitions. Their vision? To create a self-sustaining Martian city. And they're not just talking about it, they're already testing the technology. In 2025, SpaceX showcased an AI-powered 3D printer that can transform Martian regolith, the loose rock and dust found on the surface, into building material. This 3D printing marvel constructed a prototype Martian shelter in just 72 hours. Add to that AI-controlled robots that can mine ice for water, refine resources, and even repair themselves, and you have the building blocks for a truly self-sufficient Martian colony by the 2040s. But AI's role in space exploration goes beyond building and managing habitats. The European Space Agency's ExoMars rover, scheduled to land on the Red Planet in 2028, will use AI to analyze data from previous missions, guiding it to the most promising locations to drill for signs of past or present life. It's like having an AI geologist on Mars, leading the search for our ancient microbial cousins. And what about venturing beyond our planetary neighborhood? AI is already playing a crucial role in designing and planning future missions to the outer solar system and beyond. Quantum AI, still in its infancy in 2025, holds the potential to revolutionize space travel, enabling us to predict solar flares with unprecedented accuracy and simulate entire missions with incredible detail, minimizing risks and maximizing efficiency. By 2035, AI-powered telescopes might be able to confirm the existence of Earth-like exoplanets, pinpointing the most promising targets for future exploration. And who knows, maybe one day, AI will even help us design and build the first interstellar spacecraft capable of carrying humans to the stars. But let's not forget about the mess we've made a little closer to home. Space junk, defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and other debris is a growing problem, posing a threat to current and future space missions. Fortunately, AI is stepping up to tackle this challenge as well. Astroscale, a company dedicated to cleaning up space, launched its CLS-1 satellite in 2024. This AI-powered garbage collector is designed to rendezvous with and deorbit space debris, clearing the way for future generations of space explorers. And the company has even more ambitious plans for the future, including using AI to recycle space debris into fuel, creating a closed-loop system for space exploration. The future of AI in space is not just about technological marvels, it's about expanding humanity's reach, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, and ensuring the sustainability of our presence in the cosmos. It's about turning science fiction into science fact, and it's happening right now. That's our galactic odyssey. AI in space is no longer a what-if. It's rovers on Mars, satellites saving Earth, rockets rewriting economics, alien hunts getting real, and a future where we live among the stars. In 2025, AI is not just a tool, it's our co-pilot, pushing boundaries we once thought unreachable. We've seen how AI is revolutionizing space exploration, from the surface of Mars to the search for life beyond our planet. It's enabling us to explore further, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. But this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve at an astonishing pace, its impact on space exploration will only become more profound. So buckle up, space cadets, because the future of space exploration is here and it's powered by AI.